In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Pixel 4a. This process will erase all data on your device, returning it to its original settings. Ensure you have backed up any important information before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 4a and locating the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down the list of options until you find the section labeled System. Tap on System to access additional settings. After that, select Reset Options from the list. This section houses all the reset features available for your device. It is crucial to back up your data at this stage, as a factory reset will erase everything stored on your phone. Once you've verified that your data is backed up, you can proceed to the next step. Now, you need to select the option to factory reset your device. Tap on the option that says Erase All Data, Factory Reset. A warning message will appear informing you that this action will erase all data from your device. Read this message carefully to understand the consequences. If you are certain that you want to continue, confirm your choice. You may be prompted to enter your PIN or password for security verification. Completing this step ensures that only authorized users can perform a factory reset. After confirming, the reset process will begin and your device will start clearing all data. Once the factory reset is complete, your Pixel 4 will automatically restart. This process may take a few moments, so be patient while your device powers back on. After the restart, you'll be greeted with the setup screen, similar to when you first purchased the phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were new. You will have the option to sign in with your Google account, which is necessary for accessing apps and services. If you have a backup available, you can restore it during this setup phase. Completing the setup process will finalize the factory reset. Your Pixel 4a is now in a fresh state, ready for use. You can begin reinstalling apps and customizing your settings according to your preferences. It is advisable to check your available storage if you plan to restore a backup, as insufficient space may affect the restoration process. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network to facilitate any app downloads or updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.